In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on lock screen. When you're ready, select this section at the top, screen lock and biometrics, and after entering your login method, click on face recognition under biometrics. Now to continue, hit continue at the bottom and select register. Make sure to follow all of the instructions of your screen on your screen, and keep your face in frame, waiting for 100% mark. When you finished, manage all of those options however you wish, and even if you wanna add alternative appearance to enhance recognition, click here and add your face data again. But now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!